Welcome back, everybody. We are making a side dish today. It's going to be vegetables and stuffing. In the South, they call it dressing. So, the recipe is down in the description box for your convenience, along with miscellaneous kitchen items. So, let's go put it together. Okay, we have a 12-ounce bag frozen broccoli, chopped broccoli. And now we're going to add to this a can of cream corn. Then we're going to add 1 egg, beaten. 1 tablespoon of minced onions. An 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Celtic sea salt, and an 1/8, sorry, that was a quarter. This is an 1/8 of a pepper, teaspoon of pepper. And we're going to mix this up to the best of our ability. Okay, medium saucepan, we have 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to melt this down over medium heat. Okay, now our butter is melted. We're going to turn the heat off. Now we're going to add roughly a 1/2 box of stuffing mix. This particular one is turkey. It's roughly about 1.5 cups, and we just want to coat this. Now we're going to roughly take half out. Okay, so half's in a bowl, half's still in the pot. Now we're going to add our broccoli corn mixture to this and mix it up. Okay, there's our mixture. Stirred in pretty good. Now we have a 1.5 quart to 2 quart casserole dish. Links down in the description for a clear one. I don't think they make these blue ones anymore. Now we're going to pour this all over into it. And what we'll do now, we're going to sprinkle the other half that we took out of the stuffing. So I just want to make sure everything's covered on top here the best we can. So now, uncovered, just like this, put it in the oven for about 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, we had it in the oven for 45 minutes. Nice golden brown on top. And let's dig into this. Good. That broccoli, corn, stuffing, a nice side dish. All right, let's try it out. A little hot. Oh yeah, this is tasty. Top layer of stuffing is very crunchy, sets it off nice. The corn's there, makes it a lot creamier, more flavorful. The broccoli's there. Nice, perfect side dish. You can always double a recipe if you're feeding a big family for a feast. So until next time, this is a Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.